This channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And in this video, we're gonna do an iMovie tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how to do a green screen in iMovie. So I have iMovie pulled up right now. I'm gonna bring in this video. This is the one I filmed, Hi Me in One Day. I'll just kind of chop up one section. So let's say like right here. Now I will say, this video actually filmed here. As you can see, this one, I don't have a green screen on. So there's two different ways you can do a green screen in iMovie. And I'm gonna be honest, this is actually super easy. I remember when I first started video editing, I thought it'd be complicated. Not really. All I'm gonna do is this. So I have first off a green screen animation. So you can see when I play this, it's a green screen with the subscriber kind of bell and stuff like that. I used to put these on some of my older videos. But if I put this here, all I'm gonna do is drag it, bring it in, and put it on top. So they're gonna be layered. Then I'm gonna go up here to this box. This is typically used for like a picture-in-picture, a cutaway, different features. All I'm gonna do is click green/blue screen, and boom, that's it. So when I'm doing, like, say, a green screen animation, it is literally this easy, right? That's how you do it. Now, let's say it's gonna be the opposite. Let's say you have a green screen behind you, like a physical green screen. And I do suggest make sure you test this out a couple times before you film a very important video. The last thing you do is film a video, you didn't test it out enough beforehand, you go to edit it and it just gets corrupted or whatever, or it just doesn't work the way you want it to. So actually, this is my video, right? With the green screen background and everything. All I'm gonna do is do the exact same thing. So actually, this is me talking, pretend I have a green screen behind me, right? I'm just gonna put this on top, and then I'm gonna go to green screen like so. Now, of course, nothing just happened because I don't have a green screen behind me. So unfortunately, obviously this isn't working, but that's all you do is select this. And there are different things you can do as well. I can adjust the softness. As you can see, again, this might look a little glitchy just because, again, there's no green screen behind me. So I'm always trying to make this work, or I can clean it up. So if I even just do this, you can see it kind of almost makes it a makeshift green screen in a way, right? But it's that easy. All you need to do when it comes to doing a green screen is put and layer it on top, go up here, click green/blue screen, and it is that easy. It is literally just clicking that button. One thing I do have to say, and this is very important, a bit Captain Obvious, but very important for this video, make sure when it comes to you doing a green screen in iMovie, especially like you're uploading the video to YouTube, for example, that anything that you have in the video, you do have the rights to, right? So let's say take that green screen animation that I had of like the subscriber bell being clicked or being subscribed or whatever. Make sure that it's copyright free. You have the rights to it, or pretty much anything that you have in your green screen when it comes to editing.